हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्लास 9th चैप्टर पैकिंग। अगर आप NCERT से बिलोंग करते हैं तो आपका जो बी हाई बुक है उसका चैप्टर नंबर 7 पैकिंग, और अगर आप JKBOSE से बिलोंग करते हैं तो क्लास 9th 12th सीरीज इंग्लिश चैप्टर नंबर 1 पैकिंग, जिसे लिखा है जेरोम के जेरोम ने। So question number 1, how many characters are there in the narrative? Name them. Do not forget the dog. Answer, there are 4 characters in the narrative. The narrator Jerome and his 2 friends George and Harris, and a dog named Montmorency. Question number 2, why did the narrator Jerome volunteer to do the packing? Answer, the narrator Jerome was proud of his packing skills, so he offered to do the packing. Question number 3, how did George and Harris react to this? Did Jerome like their reaction? Answer, they both readily agreed to Jerome's plan. Therefore, one of them sat on the chair and the other on the table and watched Jerome doing the packing. No, Jerome did not like this reaction. This really irritates him. Question number 4, what was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack? Answer, Jerome's real intention was to boss the job. He wanted to supervise his friends and direct them to pack the right way. Question number 5, what did Harris say after the bag was shut and strapped? Why do you think he waited till then to ask? Answer, after the bag was shut and strapped, Harris pointed out that Jerome had forgotten to pack his boots. I think that he waited till then because he tried to prove that Jerome is not a good packer. Question number 6, what horrible idea occurred to Jerome a little later? Answer, the horrible idea that occurred to Jerome was that whether he had packed his toothbrush or not. Question number 7, why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag? Answer, because he has packed his tobacco pouch in it. Question number 8, what does Jerome say was Montmorency's ambition in life? What do you think of Montmorency and why? Answer, Montmorency's aim in life was to create hurdles in the way of others and get scolded for it. I think Montmorency was a loving pet because he loves to play with his masters. Question number 9, of the 3, Jerome, George and Harris, who do you think is the best or the worst packer? Support your answer with details from the text. Answer, I think Jerome is the best packer because at least he did not broke anything while packing. On the other hand, George and Harris are the worst packer because they start the packing with breaking a cup and did a lot of mess before finishing the packing. Question number 10, how did Montmorency contribute to the packing? Answer, Montmorency used to sit on the things just when they were about to be packed. Moreover, he put his leg into the jam and also got into the hamper and pretended the lemons as rats and killed 3 of them. This was Montmorency's contribution to the packing. Question number 11, do you find this story funny? What are the humorous elements in it? Pick out at least 3. Think about what happens as well as how it is described. Answer, yes, of course, this story was so funny. Some of the humorous elements in it are squashing of the tomato, trot on the butter, putting things behind them, and could not find them, etc. So it brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share our videos with your friends, family and relatives. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.